Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super simple yet transformative. How to change fonts in 2025. Whether you're sprucing up a school essay, designing a sleek presentation, or just making your notes pop, knowing how to swap fonts can make your work stand out. With the latest updates in 2025, tools like AI-assisted font suggestions are making this even easier and more fun. Let's jump right in. First things first, open your document or app where you want to change the font. We're using Microsoft Word as an example, but this works similarly in Google Docs or even web design software. Once you're in, select the text you want to modify. Just highlight it with your cursor, easy peasy. Next, head over to the font menu. In Word, you'll find it at the top of the screen in the Home tab. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the current font name. Now, here's where 2025 tech shines. Many apps now have an AI-powered search bar. Type in what you're looking for, like Modern Sans Serif, and it suggests options based on your document's style. Cool, right? Select your new font from the list. Go wild with choices like Arial, Times New Roman, or something trendy like Inter. Don't forget to adjust the font size if needed. It's right next to the font dropdown. Hit Enter or click Away, and voila! Your text is transformed. But wait, there's more. In 2025, you can also explore font families with variants for bold, italic, or even animated effects in digital designs. Always preview your changes to ensure they look great on different devices. And that's it, you've just leveled up your formatting game. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. What's your favorite font? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.